From the project detail form, you can now quickly view all tasks, appointments, journal items, and emails in one location, as well as the project logistics such as timeframes and notes for a single project or sub-project. This form is available in Project Central as well as task, appointment, and journal toolbars. Project Detail allows you to update the master project or sub-project task directly, as well as view the information surrounding that project or sub-project from all types of Outlook items. Let's open a project. Highlight a project, then select Open from the project menu, or right-click the highlighted project and select Open from the context menu that appears. It's important to note that one or more projects or sub-projects can be selected and opened at one time. You can also double-click a project or sub-project in Project Central's window to open the detail form for that particular project or sub-project. Let's review each tab. On the Tasks tab, all the project's non-completed tasks are listed, and the tasks are sorted by the ordered position. To change how the tasks are sorted, click the column headers to sort the column header selected. Make sure to check the Show Completed checkbox to show any completed tasks in the tab window. By default, completed tasks are hidden by the Tasks tab view. Completed tasks have a line through them and are gray. Also in the Tasks tabs, you can open, hide, unhide, complete, uncomplete, and delete a task. Highlight the task and either select the task menu and appropriate function, or right-click the highlighted task and select the appropriate function. You can also create a new task to your project or sub-project in the Task tab. Let's create a task and then change the order of the task. Click the Add Task button and select the sub-project and an action from the action drop list. Note that the project field has been selected for you. Click Save and Close. The task appears in the Task tab. Now we would like to reorder the task list so that the newly created task is listed as the fourth task. Click the Order Task button. After selecting this task, place the cursor near the edge of the selected task or tasks. The cursor will change, indicating that the selection is ready to be dragged. When dragging the task, the cursor will change again, indicating that the selection is being moved. The red line shows where the task will be placed. Click Save Order to save the new order, or click Restore Order in order to return to the previous order. On the Appointments tab, you can review all appointments for a particular project or sub-project. You can change how the appointments are sorted by clicking the column header. By default, expired appointments are hidden, and completed appointments are indicated by a line through them and are also hidden. To show all expired and completed appointments, make sure the Show Expired Completed Appointments checkbox is checked. To open an appointment, highlight the appointment. Click the Appointments menu and select Open, or right-click the appointment and choose Open. The appointment opens and can be edited. Click Save and Close to save any changes. On the Journal tab, all journal items for a particular project or sub-project can be viewed. You can change how journal items are sorted. By default, journal items are sorted alphabetically by action. Click a column header to support the journal items by that header category. To open a journal item, highlight the journal item. Click the Journal menu and select Open, or right-click the item and choose Open. The journal item is open and can be edited. Click the Save and Close to save any changes. To add a journal item, click the Add Journal Item button. An untitled journal entry form is displayed with the project field already selected. Edit the journal as you please and click Save and Close to save any changes. On the Mail tab, you can view mail from multiple folders in your mailbox for a particular project or sub-project. You must first choose the folders you would like to search. Remember, the more folders you choose, the longer it will take for the results to display in the project detail page. To search for emails associated with a project or sub-project, click the Select Folders button. Select the folders by clicking the checkbox next to each folder, or click Set GTD Mail Folders to select the Add Action, At Deferred, At Waiting For, Someday, and the project's file to folder. Click OK. All emails associated with this particular project or sub-project are listed. By default, the emails are sorted alphabetically by action. You can change how emails are sorted by clicking on the column headers. Also note that the folders previously selected will remain selected for all other projects and sub-projects until they are manually changed. The last tab, Notes, contains comments about the project or subproject. Simply type in comments and remember to save the changes. Finally, let's review the two menus that are available to you from the project detail form. With the Manage menu, you can save any changes made to the project detail form, create a summary report, which is discussed in the Project Central tour, and set the File To folder and reference folders for a project. By selecting Manage, Project Folders, and clicking the ellipse button, you can assign a default folder for File To and save for reference. Click the Clear button to clear the selection, OK to save changes, or cancel. With the Navigate menu, you can now quickly navigate back and forth between Project Central and the Project Detail form. You have the option to either include subprojects and/or project subprojects that are hidden as you navigate through the Project Detail form. As you can see, you can quickly view all tasks, appointments, journal items, and emails in one handy location when using the Project Detail form. The Project Detail form allows you to update the master project or subproject task directly, as well as efficiently view the information surrounding that project or subproject from all types of Outlook items.